Fairfield County toward northern New Haven counties. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for central Fairfield County, northwestern New Haven County, until 6 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across central Fairfield to northern New Haven counties. In addition to widespread water rescues, several mudslides have been reported. Between 4 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for central Fairfield County toward northern New Haven counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waterbury, Danbury, Shelton, Naugatuck, Southbury, Newtown, Fairfield, Trumbull, Ridgefield, Monroe, Bethel, Wilton, Brookfield, Weston, Reading, Middlebury, Beacon Falls, Georgetown, Oxford, and Easton. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Connecticut, Fairfield. The National Weather Service in Upton has extended the flash flood warning for